What is the new method for drop shipping with Facebook Marketplace? And what is Facebook Marketplace drop shipping? Do you want to make big money copy and pasting to Facebook? What if I told you Facebook Marketplace is an untapped market for dropshippers? What the hell is dropshipping? You haven't heard about dropshipping? Do you need money to get started? No! Do you need an inventory? No! Do you need a website? No! Do you need any special skills? No! All you do is copy and paste. That's it. Dropshipping is buying from one place and selling on another. People dropship from Amazon to eBay, from eBay to Amazon, from retail stores like Walmart, Home Depot, and Sears. You buy a $10 item on Amazon, for example, and sell it on eBay for $20 by copy and pasting. And the difference is your profit. When someone buys your item, you buy it from the original place, but at checkout, you copy and paste your buyer's info. You do not buy the item until they pay you. So you take their money, buy the item, and have it shipped direct to your customer. You don't ever touch the item, and you don't ever need to lay out money for the item. This has been going on for years, and I have been doing it since 2010, mostly on eBay. But now there is a new player in the game. This is a chance to get in on the ground floor of the next drop shipping method, Facebook Marketplace. Ever since Facebook enabled the shipping option, dropshippers have started taking advantage of the new platform. Would you like to know how to copy and paste items for sale and start making money? Leave a comment below and subscribe. Would you like me to show you? Find an item on Walmart like these earrings for $13.98 with free shipping. Of course, the 7% tax brings it about $15. You copy and paste it to Facebook Marketplace and sell it for $24 or $21.60 when you do a 10% off sale. You would make $6.64 or $9 at regular price, and there is no limit to how many items you can list. So it's a numbers game. Facebook takes 5% of the cut of every sale. Does this sound like the golden opportunity you've been looking for? Click the link at the end of the video for the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, not to miss the next video that comes out, so you know what's going on with Facebook Marketplace drop shipping.